Welcome back to another video. Today we have, this is the new deal that they got. This is the buy one get one free for Ryobi days. With the purchase of this for $99, which is two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, you get a free tool. This is the tool that I choose. I have most of the other tools already in other platforms. Guys, before we get started, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, we got the Verse clamp speaker set. Verse clamp speaker set says best in class. Alright, so we got best in class range, over 32 hours of runtime, crisp, clear sound. That runs with the One Plus Ryobi 1 plus 18 volt battery system. Got the Verse sounding sync, up to 150 foot range. Connect 100 plus speakers. It says tool only, battery and charger sold separately. Pivoting head, rotating base, precise placement. 1 3/4 clamping capacity. Over 32 hours of runtime. Stay connected with the 150 foot between speakers to utilize speakers independently. We got the instructions. Alright, we've got both of the speakers right here. They do stand with or without the battery. Rubber buttons here. We got a plus, minus, maybe volume. We got a play and stop. We got a sync. And on and off. It does have some LED lights here at the top. Verse 1 Plus. It does have a clip, just like the fan. Up and down, and then you can move it left and right. So got the PCL 6615, 18 volts, made in China. Alright, so we got 4 amp hour battery here. 3 bars on this one, so not full charge. So let's turn on. Power on. The Bluetooth Ryobi clamp speaker. Alright. We got we have the Milwaukee versus the DeWalt. Alright, so let's hook up this one, see what this one sounds like. We'll just put power. Power on. And then we'll just put sync, I guess.
Primary transmitting. Searching for primary. Secondary synced.
Don't settle for less, yes, if you believe in that.
Tesla is showing off.
For those of you guys that do not.
Alright, so what do I think about these? They work pretty good. However, this one, I do feel that this one's defected. This one sounds really good. This one's defected, so I will be returning this set. Because this one seems to have some sort of vibration on the speaker. I don't know if it's defected or broken inside. But this one's really good. So make sure you guys test it. You know, obviously raise the volume on yours. I think it's a really nice set. So the sound quality is pretty good when they're working. Well, the one on the right has really good sound quality. It does have some nice bass to it. You know, the defected one obviously not so good. So let us know that in the comment section if you buy these and how well do they turn out. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.